Voting. Okay. Welcome to our app called Badgerly Advice. We're happy to have you and to show you around. My name is Trevor Garsky. I am a senior. I'm about to graduate in about 1 week. I'm majoring in computer science and data science at UW-Madison. And sort of the motivation behind our app called Badgerly Advice is we just really wanted to share our knowledge that we've accumulated over the years for incoming transfers, for incoming freshmen, for people who are newly declared in the computer sciences major, or just really anybody who is curious about anything around campus or about the CS major. And so this can pertain to different study spots, different restaurants, other things that we will demo later as sort of a farewell gift for us to leave college and to graduate, move on to our careers. So with that, I'll hand it over to Joel to go over most of our pages.
Yeah, so my name is Joel. I'm the other Joel Riverstudy Jr. I'm the other member in this group. Also a senior computer science, graduating in 1 week, just like Trevor. So with that, I'll bring us over to the homepage. It's a pretty simple homepage, just a little picture of UW-Madison and a welcome. Just kind of saying that this is your atypical resource for UW-Madison students, and then some links to our different pages. So with that, bring us to Badger Snacks and Study Spots. We've got a little alert here because this uses local storage to store the user's favorites. Then we have the ability to filter by tag and other things. So yeah, so we use cards on this page to be able to display information in a similar format without having to rewrite that. And then we also use rows and columns to ensure that the it resizes based on your device size. So with that, I'll take us over to the resources page, which is pretty similar. That just has a bunch of different resources for students that will bring them to other websites of just things that we found useful here in our time at UW-Madison. And just like the other page, we also have a filter by category. One thing I did forget to say about Study Snacks is we also have the websites linked to each of the restaurants we mentioned. So yeah, then finally, we just have a contact page for feedback for the website, and you can select one of us and then send us a nicely formatted email with your advice. With that, I'll hand it over to Trevor to talk about the dorm lottery.
Yeah, so going to the dorm lottery, I know this is my most exciting part of becoming a freshman at UW-Madison was picking my dorm. So the reason why I wanted to have a wheel with assortment of colors along the rainbow is to provide the user with a good front end experience, just so everything wasn't being done strictly on the back end, to just kind of create a more engaging environment. So here we have 20 out of the 21 dorms on campus, and if you spin, you can see what dorm you get. Okay, so just to show that this is random, it started on Adams, so I'll spin it again. See what we get. So here we have OGG, and then another cool feature about this is you can click Learn More to learn more about OGG, and it takes you to the UW Housing website. So the only thing left to do then is to find your roommates. So hopefully this is a good page for freshmen. I'm excited to see, what dorm they'll be selected in. So in the interest of time, we're going to end our presentation there. Thank you for listening, and we hope you like our application.